Friends, today on 27th May 2021, the corona patient reported in the last 24 hours is 3,23,000 in India. This is a really this is one of the major changes in this graph is like that for the last 15 days corona patients were increasing every day from 15,000 to 20,000. Now for comparing from the day before yesterday and yesterday, uh, uh, there is a drastic change in corona patients in India. Now, 30,000 patients are less than for the last 24 hours comparing to day before yesterday. In Maharashtra, 48,000 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. It's really changed. It's uh, it's lowest in last 21 days in Maharashtra. Uh, it's different around 18-20,000 from day before yesterday, and continuous rising corona cases in Maharashtra. Even Mumbai, there is a drastic also change. Only around 4,000 cases have been reported, which was which is really different from the last 15 days. As in the in the Mumbai, cases were reported every day around 9,000 to 10,000. In Delhi, cases reported 22,000 comparing to 24,000 in last 10 days cases when we analyze. Now, more cases have been reported due to shortage of oxygen. In the 24 hours, Delhi has received 70 metric ton oxygen, which is sufficient for 1-2 days, and again it will require oxygen. Now, Delhi has asking oxygens from France, and in the next 1-2 week it will reach here. So situation will improve, and this disaster will be mitigated by cumulative steps. Now, in UP, MP, Gujarat, not much difference has been reported, and there is a rising cases of in Kerala, West Bengal, which is due to elections. Tamil Nadu, where elections were held, and yesterday High Court made a strict comments on strict direction on Election Commission, why its officers must be responsible for these murders. This is not death, corona. This is murder by Election Commission. Election Commission, which hasn't taken any steps to follow corona guidelines during election period in West Bengal. Everybody knows what happened in election rallies of Amit Shah, Modi, Mamta. Every politicians rally were without corona guidelines. So corona was rising in West Bengal, Assam, like that. Still a relief for the last 24 hours comparing to day before yesterday. For drastic change of 30,000 cases, which were rising every day, now it's decreasing. So hopefully in next 1 week it will